Hi and welcome to CADvantage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the vent cover in AutoCAD 2D. So I'm going to start off with a new drawing file. So you want to pick a template and make sure you set the units to inches. You also want to create some layers. So I have a bunch of layers here. So I've got my object layer, I have a center layer, and then of course there's 0. Now how you create a new layer is you want to click on the layer here and then right click, new layer, and then you want to type the name for the layer. So I'm going to create a layer for my dimensions. For the color, I'm going with the color 8 and I'm going to pick OK, and now I have a new layer for dimension, and that's how you create a new layer. So we begin our drawing and start off with a circle center diameter. Now you want to make sure that your object snap is on, and you want to click on this little flyout and make sure that your endpoint, center, quadrant and intersection, you need these checked. And here's the origin, and I'm going to start off the circle here. So I'm going to pick circle center diameter, and I'm going to pick the center of my circle somewhere here in the middle of my drawing area, and I'm going to specify a diameter of 1.5 inches. And now I'm going to start off with the ellipse command. So I'm going to go with ellipse center. I'm going to pick the same center here. So that's the same center as the center of the circle. And we've got the ellipse command running. So read the command area. It says specify center of ellipse, and you specify that, and then you want to go along this green vector for the horizontal, and you want to specify an endpoint of 4 inches because the overall dimensions for the ellipse on the horizontal is 8. So you want to press 4 and enter. And if you read the command area again, it says to specify distance to the other axis, and that's a total of 5. So we will specify 2.5 and press enter. And now you want to draw the lines that will connect the quadrant to the other quadrant, and then you want to this quadrant to offset this line so that it's 3 inches away to the right. So I'm going to press O for offset, and I'm going to press enter. And if you read the command area, it says specify offset distance. So I'm going to specify an offset distance of 3 inches. Next thing, read the command area. It says select the object to offset. So I'm going to select that. And then it says specify point on side to offset. So I'm going to specify a point on this side, and I'm going to press enter. Click polygon, and it says enter number of sides. So you want to enter 6 and press enter. Then read the command area. It says specify center. So I'm going to specify this point, which is the intersection of these two lines. And then you have to enter the options. So I'm going to enter inscribed in circle, and then read the command area. It says specify radius of circle, and I'm going to say 0.5 and enter. And this time I'm going to give an offset distance of 0.75 and press enter, and then read the command area. It says select object to offset. So I'm going to select this object, select this side, the side below. Again I'm going to say offset and enter, and then this time I'm going to specify offset distance of 1 inch, and then I'm going to select this object, click on this side, Now this intersection right here, this intersection is where I have the circle, and that's a radius of 0.75. So we're going to come to circle, center, radius. We're going to use the intersection of these two lines that we just created using offset. We're going to use that as a center, and we're going to specify a radius of 0.75. And now we're going to trim this. So we trim this, and we can just erase that. And now you can get rid of these lines. And now what we're going to do is we're going to offset this arc that we just created. So we're going to press O and enter, and then again read the command area. So you need to specify offset distance, which is going to be 0.25. So you want to click the object, select the side, click the object, select the side on which you want to offset, and then you want to come here and select arc. So you want a start end radius. So this is going to be the start point, end point, and then radius 0.25. Same thing, you want arc, start end radius. That's going to be the start, the end, and a radius of 0.25. You want to go to annotate, and you can give the center mark. So you want to come here and center mark. So pick that, and under layer properties you want to select this, and also this and this, and then you want to click on the drop down and pick the center. So that makes sure that you have the center lines here. And let's go ahead and mirror these. So all you want to do is click mirror, and then you want to select the object that you need to mirror and press enter. Then you want to read the command area, specify first point of the mirror line. So I'm going to specify this point, I'm going to specify this point, and erase source objects. I'm going to say no. Same thing, you want to mirror this. So you want to select all of this and press enter. Then you want to read the command area, specify first point of mirror line. So I'm going to go with this quadrant point and this quadrant point, and then I'm going to press N for no. Same thing, I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to press enter. After my selection is done, then I'm going to specify the first point of mirror line, the second point of mirror line, and I'm going to say no for erase. And I'm going to change my layer to dimension, and I'm going to start dimensioning. So I'm going to annotate, and let's say we go with the diameter of the circle here. So that's 1.5. You want to pick linear, and then you can give the distance here. So that's 8. Same thing, you want to dimension this, and that's 5 inches. You can pick the radius here, and you can proceed and complete the dimensions. And that's how you do the vent cover in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.